So into Chrome had there, we can't be here in peace. Hey, first of all, if you are here in Ghana and then I see you saying say you are depressed, you are sad, it means you don't have money to buy data. Like, or maybe I would say no, you don't have access to data, because if you have these things, pandia, there is nothing like sadness or depression. We did here, I think last 2 weeks, and then there's Ebo Noah, Ghana Noah no Bible no. Or since God has revealed to him that God is coming to destroy the entire planet, Ghana, the whole earth, with heavy rainfall, that is flood and kasankasa pa. And then this flood will last 3 to 4 years. It will destroy everything. When I watched this, I was like, are we serious? Are we serious, man? So that is what I want to talk to you about. This is Star Views on City Star TV. I'm here with Thinking Man. You can like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Follow us on Facebook. It is City Star TV, TikTok and Instagram too. It is City Star TV. This is powered by City Star Media, bringing possibilities to life. Don't forget that I am sponsored by Love Community Montessori, Shakes World, Lavish Cosmetic, and also Joy Beauty Studio. So without much said, Charlie Makasa, I'm a one who said Ghana Hano Mankasa. There are people who will do anything just to get trend, who will do anything just to get money. So this man is going, Charlie. What take you see where you hang ball? What the boy akwakoto? Using God's name. God will not reveal something like that to you. Let me tell you. Those of you are reading my Bible, because if you've read Bible well, you know that in the Noah story, after that, God promised that He won't destroy this earth with water again. Therefore, He gave us a symbol. That is, oh my ram is soft mood, you know. This Noah guys make me enter my. I wish I brought my coat. I'm my ram is soft mood, you know. God won't destroy us with that again. That is why He gave us the rainbow to symbolize that we're promising and He won't destroy us again. So we see dear who say Charlie, this thing children's service new in my dear way. Children's service in my dear way. So I think Mikasa be bring to the guy in the video. So this is Noah telling people his revelation and then calling people to join him on 25th December.
You have to get here before 25th December. 25th December. I said, listen to what I'm saying. I said 25th December is going to rain. It's going to rain. And this rain is going to last for 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 years, 4 years. We are going to be in the ark. We are building 10 for now. You will 2. You will 2. You will 2. You will 2. You 2. Indiana be na egugu on. Indiana air short papa. But still by Ochina Bibrina Ebeba. Me no beko we India ebinim ede abecheye. We India ebinim ede abecheye. Ebisuni ati ase. We Indiana bi ede abecheye. Ti usha who don't say first one in the first one you first one, then this is the second one. Yeah, you go so yeah. First one and the second one. Bibia first one, second one. You can see the third one at the back. The third one at the back. I know so you go for
Enti asem ni nie or building ark or building Noah's ark. This is the 21st century Noah's ark. And or building no Ghana hanum say or build Ghana how, but then he said the revelation says that it's God is coming to destroy the whole planet. Into no Asia for so nya den o me that Noah Ghana no Asia for ne America for ne Europe for no. How are you going to disseminate this information to them? Say God has revealed to you. I'm not saying you are not somebody that God can reveal. Yes, God can talk to anybody. But then my question is, how are you going to tell them? How are you going to tell other people who are not Ghanaian? Because most of your communication that you are saying it, it's like Ghana for more na embra. Now apparently Webusian Fokra has agreed to be with you in the boat. Mate, if you are not educated, one go school, papa, this thing you will fall prey to it. Oma go school, those people with low IQ, those people will fall prey. I am telling you, 25th December will come and then we will see people with their bags going in there. Oma munye educated, no. Oma munye educated, no. You will see them going there. So if you want to be educated, there is one school that I'm recommending for you. That is Love Community Montessori. Love Community Montessori. They are located here at Kofodia. They are Kodum Highway, Kwana, opposite the Agric office. You'll find them over there. Love Community Montessori. Their number is 0549142884. So call them. They will give you admission no matter because there are things going on the internet. If your child does not enjoy good things in him, or beko for pray today, so I say mama yenko say so for abanoko school papa say na on be kasa adewe me. I believe a scam. I believe a scam because I'm giving him like next month or next 2 months or the mobile number beba say if you want to join his be in his ark, send this money so that you'll be part of those people who will join the sack. And I was into the different species, like pair of each species and an air core. That is COVID virus no be kobi or bani or bema be kobi. Species be a 2 pair. Yes, maybe yes. 2 pair be a be join it. Not odomako. So that is Noah. Pepe. It's my friend in Ghana Noah. Was strike it. It's my friend. So this is scam. Please do not fall prey to this. I am here to educate you. That is how I have platform. People watch me. So I'm here to educate. Many bre. See, thinking man. Pam. And now I sad. Many bre wa say. So don't fall prey. It is a scam. I won't say it again. It is a scam. Or the pescan or the petrendy be. It is a scam. But our person called the medium say you can't go there with like fake sure be and spray be and say be you go there with better soap or some toiletries where you go here all those things into lavish cosmetic they will give you affordable one because it's 3 to 4 years. So lavish cosmetic, they are here 50 on and Osabene who do what you see, and then you call them on this number. You can test to lavish cosmetic. You can test or call them on 0240479688. So they said that I should tell you, if you are joining them, then you have to smell good, feel confident, smell amazing. Yes, I should tell you that. Now let me move on and let me take it in a spiritual or pastoral level. This is where this is where I reign. See, boy, nowhere, whatever you call yourself. You said you are 80% done with your boat. I want you to be 100% done. But I beg you, you are destroying prophetism. You are destroying prophetism. The office of prophetism. You are destroying it. Obama man for unbelieve you. But I throw the for say Nebema people are leaving the church. Some of us we are evangelizing and preaching to people to join the church, but then also with some fake revelations and prophecy telling people that this is what is happening. Papa, you are one of those people. So if you're a good Christian and then you believe God speaks to you and reveals it to you, please come back again with a better revelation or apologize to the people, because this thing does not make sense. If it is money, find money well. Pesca ye pesika yiye tonta de papa she tonta de papa eshe ewo shakes world they are here kofodia eye sika na de penta dia it is affordable over there ntade na pasha shakes world it is affordable kofodia the front view of Otin House building na ube find shakes world over there. Their number is 0530498786. So you find Shakes Word. Those people too who join him, no. Join him. There is nothing more I will say about this man and then his fake revelation, fake scam. Let me agree that them for this thing. So media, let me see on the internet again. Asumesi has fallen prey to this man. Asumesi has fallen prey to this man's scam. And Nankamubete, you that person, you and him, only two na both of you will go in prison because yakasa ache. Somebody should go and join him in his ark. Noah's ark now building. Our catcher said people are actually donating wood for him. No, uncle. Ekrabia say ewo banche asibia na say bia fabode beto metwoku bia sibia omupe inua dia sisi enkonya amankwala atena ase akosku no so you dem monko why monko pa monko na wo konso so dia me pese o dress ye yes dress ye siesie ho breduti o obema so so atwa 9 seka twa fade na kwakotenam insa me recommend we Joy Beauty Studio. They are also here at Kofodia opposite the Kofodia Technical University. You will see Will Joy Beauty. Yes, Will Joy Beauty Studio. Go there. Now go try haircut and join him in his act. Why? Their number you can call it is 0209497215. So Will Joy Beauty Studio. Make sure FFF so that you join them in the act. Join them over there. So that is it. So Ebonoa, me, I will preach, I will let everybody know, say, oh, you're true for, you are a scam, you want money, you just want trend, and there is nothing God is going to do about this, your 25th December revelation. We will be here, and then God will actually save his people. I won't go, my family won't partake. We are praying to God. So that is it. This has been Starvis on City Star TV. Did this with thinking man. Why share or see a comment the wow bedroom, a comment the wow do baby now. So follow us, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Bye bye.